Hi, I'm Dr. Doug Gumas. When patients fracture the fourth or fifth metacarpal, a fracture commonly known as the Boxer's fracture, they have a tough time keeping it protected. That's why we developed the patented Boxer Splint. The Boxer Splint is constructed of a lightweight, low-density shell with a soft foam liner and double-face contact closure strap that includes a web pad for comfort. The Boxer Splint comes in 4 sizes: small, medium, large, and extra large. It also comes in standard and extended length sizes. After it's removed from the package, it should be aligned with the injured hand. The hand should then be placed into the splint. The closure straps are tightened around the wrist, palm, 4th and 5th fingers for a more customized fit. It can even be heated with a hairdryer and molded to the patient's hand. There's an approved medical billing code for this product, which can be found at www.gforcebraces.com.